Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that we've got everything ready, it's time to bake our mango cake. Let's get it into the oven and make sure it's as delicious as we've been waiting for. Baking and assembling layers. For a fluffy, moist mango cake, pay attention to each stage: mixing, baking and cooling. Here's what works. Don't overmix the batter. Mix just until the flour disappears to avoid a tough cake. Divide batter evenly. If you're making a layer cake, pour batter into greased pans, smoothing the top for consistent results. Bake at a moderate temperature, usually 325 degrees Fahrenheit to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, until a toothpick or tester comes out clean. Cool in the pan for 10 to 15 minutes, then turn out onto a wire rack. This keeps the bottom from getting soggy and helps avoid cracks. Wait until your cake is fully cooled before filling or frosting. For assembly, slice the cakes if needed. Spread a generous layer of mango cream, whipped cream or mango buttercream between each round. Chopped fresh mango or preserves between layers adds more flavor and texture. Top it off with more cream or frosting, smoothing the sides for a clean look. Decorating and serving suggestions. Mango cake deserves a finish as striking as its taste. Dress it up for everyday eating or turn it into the center of your next celebration. Here are some easy decorating options. Fresh mango slices. Fan thin pieces over the top for a sunburst effect. Fruit glazes. Warm a spoonful of apricot jam or mango puree and brush it over the top for a shiny glow. Whipped cream or mango-flavored buttercream. Pipe rosettes around the edge or fill the entire surface for rich contrast. Tropical touches. Add shredded coconut, edible flowers, pomegranate seeds, or mint leaves for color and extra flavor. For birthdays or parties, build a taller cake with 3 or more layers, alternate fillings, and crown with spun sugar or gold leaf. Serve chilled for a fresh, cool bite, or at room temperature for a more tender texture. Set the finished cake on a simple platter or cake stand, wipe the edges, and add a few fresh mango wedges before serving. With every slice, you'll let the bright mango taste shine. Mango cake recipe variations from around the world. Mango cake isn't just a one-note dessert. No matter where you travel, you'll find a local version, each using the sweet taste of mango in a unique way. From airy sponges in Asia to rich, creamy cheesecakes in the West, many cultures have baked and blended mangoes into tempting treats. Here's a peek at 3 standouts that show just how flexible and loved mango cake can be. Filipino mango chiffon cake, light, airy, and packed with fresh mango. In the Philippines, mango cake often means a chiffon cake that's straight up soft and light. This cake uses local Carabao mangoes, which are known for their bright flavor and natural sweetness. The batter gets most of its lift from whipped egg whites, making each bite feel like eating a sweet cloud. Key features. Texture. Fluffy, melt in your mouth, never dense. Mango use. Pureed mango gets folded into the batter and whipped cream filling, then layered between slices or spread on top. Decor. Often finished with mango slices and swirls of cream. This isn't just tea party fare in the Philippines. You'll find mango chiffon cake at birthdays, holiday feasts, and even wedding banquets. The look is sunny, the taste bold and tangy, like biting into summer. Eggless Indian mango cake, vegan-friendly and rich in Indian flavor. India puts its own spin on mango cake, especially for those who eat vegetarian or vegan. Many Indian recipes skip eggs entirely, relying instead on yogurt, buttermilk, or even condensed milk for moisture and lift. During mango season, Alfonso and Kesar mangoes are a top pick for flavor and color. Common egg substitutes: yogurt, buttermilk, or mashed banana. Vinegar mixed with baking soda for lift. Chia or flaxseed eggs for vegan versions. Spices and flavors. Cardamom and saffron often make an appearance, matched with sweet mango puree for an unmistakable Indian touch. For many Indian families, serving a mango cake, especially eggless versions, means everyone at the table can enjoy a slice. It often stars at festival gatherings or as a summer surprise when mangoes are at their best. Mango cheesecake, creamy, chilled, and instantly refreshing. In Western bakeries, chilled mango cheesecakes have become a summer favorite. Here's why. Silky cream cheese blends with mango puree, making a soft mousse that sits on a crunchy cookie or graham cracker crust. The cake rarely goes in the oven. Instead, it firms up in the fridge. Core elements. Crust. Usually made from crushed biscuits or graham crackers mixed with butter. Filling. Cream cheese, whipped cream, and thick mango puree for a lush, tangy mousse. Top layer. Sometimes finished with a glossy mango jelly or fresh mango slices. This version is all about contrast. The cool mousse melts on your tongue, while the crust gives a sweet snap. It's a dessert people keep returning to for potlucks, birthdays, and weekends when the weather is warm. No matter your style or tradition, mango cakes deliver a burst of color and flavor, showing just how many ways you can celebrate this tropical fruit. Tips for storing and freezing mango cake. Getting the most out of your mango cake means knowing how to keep it fresh and tasty, whether you want to store it for a day or save leftovers for later. Mango cakes, with their soft and creamy layers, need a bit of care to stay at their best. Here's how you can store and freeze mango cake like a pro, so every slice feels as good as the first. Short-term storage, keeping mango cake fresh. If you plan to eat your mango cake within a couple of days, focus on keeping the texture moist and the fruit flavors bright. Proper storage helps your cake avoid drying out or picking up odd fridge smells. Refrigerate the cake. Place the cake in an airtight container or cover tightly with plastic wrap. This keeps it from losing moisture and stops it from soaking up other fridge odors. Use wax or parchment paper. Put a sheet between the cake and the plastic wrap if you're worried about sticky frosting or cream sticking. Store sliced and whole cakes separately. Sliced mango cake dries out faster, so keep it in a snug container. Whole cakes can be kept on a cake stand with a dome or in a large storage box. Mango cakes often include whipped cream, fresh fruit, or mousse. These ingredients always do better in the refrigerator. Most cakes stay fresh for up to 3 days this way before the texture starts to change. Shelf life and signs of spoilage. Mango cake doesn't last as long as denser cakes, since fresh fruit and creamy frostings change faster. Best quality. Enjoy within 1 to 3 days if kept refrigerated. Watch for changes. If the cake smells sour, the fruit looks dull or mushy, or frosting turns watery, those are signs it's time to toss it. Avoid room temperature. Except for brief serving times, mango cake with dairy or fruit should not sit out. After 2 hours at room temp, put leftovers back in the fridge. How to freeze mango cake for later. Want to save a big batch or stretch out birthday cake leftovers? Freezing is the answer. With a few simple tricks, frozen mango cake stays delicious for weeks. Start by planning ahead and prepping the cake properly so you don't lose flavor or texture. Cool the cake completely. A warm cake gives off steam, causing freezer burn or mushy texture. Choose your method. For unfrosted cakes, wrap each layer tightly in plastic wrap, then add an extra layer of foil for best results. For frosted cake, do a quick freeze first by placing the uncovered cake in the freezer for about 1 hour. Once the frosting firms up, wrap the cake in plastic and foil. Slice before freezing for easy portions. Wrap individual slices with wax paper, then plastic wrap. Store in freezer-safe bags or containers. Frozen mango cake keeps its flavor and structure for about 1 to 2 months. Any longer, and both the fruit and cake can start to lose their punch. Thawing and serving tips. When ready to enjoy your mango cake again, thawing it the right way makes all the difference. Refrigerator thawing. Move the wrapped cake or slices from freezer to fridge. Let it thaw overnight if you can. This gentle approach protects against a soggy texture. Avoid room temperature thawing. Letting frozen cake sit out can make creams separate and fruit layers weep. Touch-ups before serving. If needed, pat off condensation with a paper towel or add a quick swirl of fresh whipped cream and a few new mango slices to brighten up the look. Freezing and storage might sound fussy, but once you've tried these steps, you'll always have a mango treat ready for sunny days, midnight snacks, or sharing with friends. Every slice can taste just as sweet and fresh as the day you made it. Mango cake brings people together with its tropical charm and sweet, sunny flavor. No matter the recipe or style, from soft chiffon to creamy cheesecake, this dessert sparks smiles and brightens any table. It's one of those cakes that feels special but doesn't demand perfection, so everyone can give it a go. Give homemade mango cake a try and discover just how rewarding baking with real mango can be. Feel free to add your own twist, whether it's a dash of spice, a new cream, or a bold topping. Share your favorite results or recipe tweaks in the comments. Your ideas might inspire someone else looking for their next kitchen adventure. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.